It is generally acceptable to mount an 800 amp switch on the side of a 1600 amp service. The 2017 National Electrical Code Section 384.16 ATWO states equipment shall be located in an accessible location outside of buildings or in buildings spaced at least 6 feet from flammable material. National Electrical Code Section 384.26 states switchboards and panel boards shall be mounted in a substantial manner. Several considerations must be accounted for. Firstly, the transformer pad and the panels must be adequately supported to handle the weight of the combined equipment. Secondly, the 800 amp switch must be easily accessible for operation and maintenance. Thirdly, there must be sufficient clearance around the panels to allow for proper ventilation and access to the equipment. Fourthly, the panels must be properly grounded according to National Electrical Code requirement. Mounting panels on the side of other panels is a common practice in electrical distribution systems. The larger service, the 1600 amp, provides the capacity for the smaller service, the 800 amp. It is important to ensure that the electrical ratings of the panels and equipment are compatible. It is recommended to consult with a qualified electrician to ensure that the installation meets all applicable codes and standards.